Alrighty, what is up YouTube? It's me, Margo Vader. I'm going to be doing a quick intro today, or I'm going to try. So, basically, this is what I looked like after today's video. Because I had to change my shirt, my outfit, because I was sweaty as heck. So, yeah, but anyway, today's video is going to be my last homecoming pep assembly. My last one. I'm a senior in high school, so this was my last one. I'm going to do a voiceover of all the outfits for Spirit Week, and then we're going to go straight into the pep assembly video, and yeah, that'll be the vlog today. So, enjoy the video, guys. I know I don't look the best right now, but hey, whatever. Enjoy. Alrighty, guys, so this is the first outfit. So, this was for Disney Day, since now Star Wars is technically Disney. So now this one is tie-dye day, sorry. So basically, I got the tie-dye pants. Oh, yep, the shirt. Oh, I got the colorful glasses and the headband / bandana. So yeah. So that was for Tuesday, I believe. And this is Wednesdays. This was beach day type theme for this outfit. And oh, we got binoculars. Oh, looking at them. Oh, my friend Keon in the background. Hey, buddy. I'm laughing. Oh, this was for Throwback Thursday. So basically like stuff from 2016, 2015. I'm wearing my old basketball jersey that I won. I was not actually on the team, so don't think I was a basketball player. So, this is the final outfit. This was blackout day for the pep assembly. So I got, I'm showing my my bracelets. And yeah, my blackout shirt, my beads, and oh god, my black pants too. So yeah. Steven! Stupid! Hey, Steven! Alright. Damn. Hey, Kia, do something. Hey! Steven! Do something. Do a dance move. Hey! is crazy.
Crazy.
Miss Summers. Hey.
This is too much.
Mr. Frank. I'm sorry. I'm such a weird vlogger.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey.
Yeah, and that's
Oh, Ira, why are you laughing your head off? Oh my God! Stop dancing. Too much. Oh God! Grace, really? Oh God, that was way too close.
God.
That was way too close. I'm sorry, folks. Okay, that was crazy. That was my official last homecoming pep assembly. My last one. Oh my God, it feels weird to be a senior. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. May the force be with you. And as always, catch you later. Bye, guys.